folks, I'm Steve Miller with Mercury Racing. I run the marketing, sales, and service for that organization, and today I'm here to show you our latest offering, our latest introduction, a version of our 300R with our Racing Advanced Midsection. Now, you may have seen this midsection before when we introduced our 450R back in 2019, and we've had so much positive reviews from that product that we've been asked to come up with another derivative with a 300 horsepower head on it. And that's what we've done right here. So now you can enjoy the same benefits of this 300R Racing AMS midsection, which gives you 5 additional inches of setback over a conventional midsection. It gives you a lot less vibration transmitted to the boat. When you use this with a vessel view display system, you have switchable exhaust, so you can go from whisper quiet operation to a nice throaty stirring sound that gives you that nice performance growl out there if you want people to see you and hear you. And it also is available with a rear tie bar bracket for catamaran applications. So this Racing AMS is designed specifically for the newer stepped bottom performance center consoles, and also with the rear tie bar bracket for the performance catamarans. Now, we offer 2 other midsections for the 300R as well, which are the ones we initially came out with for it, which is the CMS and the HD or heavy duty CMS. The CMS midsection comes with a 20-inch drive shaft housing and our Torque Master gear case, so it's a different gear case than what you see here. And that engine's designed specifically for the faster but tournament loaded bass boat segment. We also have the heavier duty version of that CMS, which is fully solid mounts, big forged transom brackets, and a single stage trim pump where the pump's actually mounted in the boat. And that heavy duty system is designed for those single engine ultra fast performance boats. So a single engine catamaran, a single engine V-bottom where you're really running up into the 90s or well past 100 miles an hour. So the thing about Mercury Racing is we don't take a one-size-fits-all approach to our products. We're a custom builder, and the products we make are specifically designed to key in on certain boat applications.
Thanks, Steve.